In this section, you'll learn about Cisco Device Security. When you first receive a router or switch from the factory, you take it out of the box. One of the first things that you'll do is enable management of that device. So you'll set it up for command line access for your administrators, and you want to make sure that it's only authorized administrators that are able to get onto the command line on that device. You don't want just anybody being able to get on there and then seeing or even changing your configuration. So you want to enable access to the device for your administrators, and you want to secure it down as well. And that's going to be the focus of this section. So we'll cover the different ways that you can do that, using either line level security or using local usernames and passwords, or what you'll most often see in a real world environment, which is using an external AAA server. That is authentication, authorization, and accounting. So we'll cover that, and then we'll finish up the section with a look at some of the global best security practices. Okay, let's get started.